Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on that BMW E90, E91, 92, 93 guys. And if you're trying to locate the fuse for the crankshaft position sensor, we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos, so please subscribe guys to the channel for more videos. We'll be uploading videos all the time for that car. So if you have a code for crankshaft position sensor or you don't get a signal, we'll show you which fuse to check. In the meantime, that BMW generation uses 3 different fuse boxes, I believe, so make sure that it's like ours. Always double check everything. So let me show you where now ours is located. It's when you open the hood, okay, that fuse box is on the passenger side, so on the left side facing the vehicle. It has that cover on top of it. We'll have the video how to remove the cover. If you don't know, most of you probably will, so that's why we didn't video it in this part, but if you don't, check out the video, it will be on the channel. So let me show you now which fuse it's for the crankshaft position sensor. You have that fuse box of 5 fuses here, and it's usually a touch deeper in that main fuse box, and you can pull it up, okay, by pressing on that tab here, and you can pull it up like we did. You don't have to, but it's a little bit easier to work on it. After that, you have that clip on the side that we need to spread open a little bit. Okay, and at the same time guys, you need to hold that thing, don't pull on the cables, and we need to, okay, pry the fuse panel out of there. All 5 fuses will come apart, okay, like that. You cannot just replace one of them, you have to remove all of them and then replace the one that you need. This cap, we already have ours open, but you have 2 clips here on the bottom that you need to push in, and you have one hidden on this side. Ours is broken. Pull it out. The middle fuse, this is the 3rd fuse from left to right, or from right to left, the middle fuse. In our case, 20mm fuse, that's the one for the crankshaft position sensor. So that's how you guys, okay, remove it. If you need to replace it with a new fuse or you need any parts, check out the link in the description of our video and you can see where we get our parts from. When you're ready to put it together, make sure that thing clicks all the way in. I'm not going to close ours because we're still working on a few more videos here. And let it connect it right here. Make sure all the fuses go in and push in. Okay, perfect. And you need to install that black fuse box inside the fuse box where it used to be. Don't forget to put the cover on. That will be the last step. Okay, this fuse box cover. Because if you get moisture, humidity, you can say bye-bye to your engine computer. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.